Hey guys, I thought I'd remake a video of this fan, mainly because I changed my mind on this. I was gonna give this to Rusty Bearing 45, but I decided I think I'll keep it. I mean, this was my first Lasko made box fan under the Galaxy badge. Anyway, this is my 1980 to 81 Galaxy Model 3713 box fan. I got this from a fellow fan collector named Bill Heitman about a couple or so years ago. And then I wanted one of these for my collection. I mean, gotta have one of these. As y'all remember, some time ago I got another one mint in the box from 1979 to 1980, just a year before this one. Well, this one's not as mint. As you can see, it's got the front grille is not perfect. In fact, it's got quite a bit of slats missing. Some of them I had to glue back into place. Like this one here, as you can see, it's kind of slanted. But especially these three. Yeah, all three of these had to be glued back into place. So before I did that, this whole section right here, the front grille, was completely knocked out. And both it and the back grille are slightly yellowed. As I said before, these Lasko Galaxy grills are known for being very brittle, as you can tell by me tapping on them. And it's got a bit of rust inside and on the bottom, but it's minor. And this somehow got dented. We'll turn this around. Here's the back. And that's always been missing for the cord. But I accidentally broke these out one time, trying to move it somewhere, and just recently when I was putting it back into my closet, I broke one of the slats out here, but thankfully that one's in the fan, so I can glue that back in. And it's got the same plastic motor. This one's the slightly different design, but it's got the same vent design. Still the earlier vent design instead of what's on the Sears. Yeah, though this is not as mint as the other one, but oh my lord, it's got the handle. It's got the handle. Oh dear lord, it's got the handle. Yeah, whatever. I probably can't do that as good as Esky Wolf does, but you know. But anyway, as for the fact that it has a handle is a real bonus. Yeah, too many of these have the handles missing. They're either broken or... But anyway. Oh, and I may have to realign the bearings before I use it once more, because it's now back to have... The motor whine is now as loud as it was again when I first got it, so... But here's high. It's not so bad now. I make because I let the oil set in. Here's medium. And oh, you can really hear it on low. It wasn't that loud last time I videoed this fan. I took the old video down and since I changed my mind on this fan and thought I'd re-video this thing. Anyway, back to high. And still got good coast down time. And I think I'll do another bonus video of the motor sounds. So anyway, this is my 1980 to 81 Galaxy 3713 box fan. Thank you for watching.